All right, so today we're going to unbox this. This is the Tmat system. The guys from Tmat Products sent me this. And basically what this is, guys, is this is a system that has these locking panels, and you lay it inside your truck bed, and you're able to put in these little blocks to keep things from sliding around. The guys at Tmat sent me this. Looks like they sent me a little mallet too. That's pretty sweet. I actually reached out to them. They did not reach out to me. Saw this on social media, and I was like, that is awesome. I need to get that because I have an issue where everything that's in my bed slides all over the place because I don't have any way to kind of secure it. So I've got like a gas tank, a sewer camera, ladders, just various stuff that's sliding all over the place. So I saw this and I was like, that would be perfect for my situation. You basically fill the bed with these pieces like this, and then it comes with these little locking sections. You just put it in there like that, and then you're able to kind of put stuff in between things, so you could kind of sandwich things together and keep everything in place. The best part about this is it is made in the USA. So we got these 12 by 12 mats here. Basically what we're going to be doing is setting these mats down through the bed. We'll use those other smaller pieces there to kind of fill in, and then we'll get our bed organized. And this stuff it's a hard plastic, but the cool thing about it is once it all goes in, you're able to slide the mat across your bed, and I'll show you guys an example of that. So these are I guess bed dividers here, adapter anchors, edge ramp kit with handles. All right, so I've got the system in, kind of roughed it in. This little section here is cool, these little ramps, because then you could kind of slide stuff easier. It won't get caught on a straight edge. And then it's got these little handles so you can kind of slide the mat in and out. I need to still be able to get into my decked drawers here. This being 4 across, it's just a little bit too much. I'm not able to get into this side, so I think what I'm going to do is go 3 across, and then use these smaller ones to kind of make it a tighter fit. This is what we got so far. So I ended up going 3 rows, and then I added an extra piece in the middle in between those 2 compartments, and then added a couple extra of the singles to the sides to kind of make everything lock in. And it's pretty good right now. I mean, so I have it set up to where I could slide it out if I need to, but once it's slid in, it's not going anywhere. If you don't have the decked system, it's probably going to be a little bit easier to work around your wheel wells and stuff. You don't have compartments to work around. And I'm going to kind of go through some of these accessory pieces, figure out, where to put what to kind of lock things in place. So you just put them down the middle, and you're able to put like a 2x4 or 2x6 in here. And then when you set it down the middle of the bed, you can kind of divide, or wherever. You don't have to put it down the middle, but put that 2x6 in, and you can kind of divide things up inside your bed. So I've got this organized about as best as I can think of right now. I may need to buy more accessory pieces, but I've got my ladders here that aren't going to go anywhere. I've got a T joint there, and then I used one of those dividers there just to kind of keep it in place. But I think with this stuff in the corner, it's not going to go anywhere. As far as the bucket goes, I got a couple pieces back here, then this piece here, so it may slide an inch or 2, but it's going to stay in place for the most part. And then I got the sewer camera here. I've got the T blocks back there, kind of securing that in place. And then Got my spare gas can back there. I may end up using those dividers to put a 2x4 in and kind of section things out a little bit better. It should keep everything from sliding around, and then hopefully I'll eventually be able to get like a rack or a topper to kind of keep the rain off of everything. So I'm going to put links of everything in the description, but like I said, guys, this is American USA company. This is all made in America, and it is the Tmat is what it's called. And I will link it in the description. Pretty cool system. I like it. Kind of helps keep things from sliding around in the back and getting all unorganized and whatnot. Check out the link in the description. Support these guys. They are USA company, USA made product.